Hi there, I'm Melissa Miles. I'm a product marketing manager at CyberArk, and I am here to walk through our Secure Cloud Access free trial. Today, we're going to go over how to connect an AWS standalone account to the platform. Before I began this how-to, I did make sure that I was aligned with the prerequisites that are located in the docs linked. I have signed in as an administrative user, so I signed in to my AWS account with my root user email. That is going to be important. If you do want to check out what prerequisites are required for connecting any of the cloud environments, again, we do have the docs linked. So what I'm going to do is first open up my use case guide. And we're going to follow step by step how to get connected. Okay. In each step, it's going to give you these quick and easy links to go through the different services that are linked in the menu. I'm also going to show you just where they live if you just want to go through yourself. There's also a video that walks through each of these steps within the platform as well. So our first thing that we're going to do is I did open that new browser tab. I logged in to my AWS root user account, and I'm going to go over to cloud visibility. I'll show you how to do it on this side. Again, we do make it really easy where you could just click on this link, but why not click in this way? Okay, there are no identities to display because I don't have any identities yet. So we're going to go into settings, platform management. And then I'm adding a workspace. Workspace is the name that we use just across the board for all of the different environments. I want to onboard a new standalone account. So we're going to add it here. Perfect. Okay. So in order to find all of these details, I'm going to flip over to my AWS tab, and I'm going to find my account ID. They're very convenient. You can copy it right here. And I'm going to click back over, and I'm going to paste it into the Secure Cloud Access platform. There we go. And I'm going to name this. If you are a member of the CyberArk Discord channel, you now know my username. Good to see you. All right. I'm the US East 2. Let me flip back over and show you where to find that if you're not sure. It's going to be right over here. So you'll see what your region is. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to click this cloud formation template. So my cloud formation template has opened. This is all filled out for you because you've already put in all the account information that you need. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to acknowledge, and then I'm going to hit create stack. This is going to take a few minutes. And you can see that we are now connected. I'm going to go ahead and mark this step as completed because I really like to see the steps that are done. We're 20% of the way there. All right, now I'm going to show you how to configure one-click access. So the purpose of configuring the one-click access is that you're going to create a little one-click cloud provider app tile so that you can access your cloud console from the secure access space. So we're going to go to the cloud provider apps page. And as promised, I did click the link that time, but if you click my environment, here, let's start from here, my environment, and then configure cloud provider apps, that's how you do it. We're going to create app. And that's my AWS standalone account. I'm going to go ahead and X out of this, knowing that I can click the book icon at any time to get it back. Let's click that. Here it is. I'm going to go ahead and configure trust automatically just for ease of this how-to. If you do want to configure it manually, this is a really adaptable tool and you will be able to do that yourself too. But let's go ahead and create. The best part of connecting a standalone AWS account is that you don't actually have to do the map your user step. So I'm going to mark that as completed as well. Okay, let's validate and finalize. Let me go to admin home through here just so you can see it. You're also welcome to click this link right here. How did I do? My validation was successful. And I know this because the screen changed into this homepage. Now, whenever I click on that administration service, I'm going to be able to see this page and I'm going to be able to work through the different guided flows that will help me remove standing persistent access, improve user experience for developer and cloud ops teams, and apply scalable and consistent controls across multi-cloud environments. And that's it for this video. So next week, it's going to drop on a Tuesday. I'm going to be walking through how to connect to your Azure cloud environment to the Secure Cloud Access platform. So thanks so much for joining me today, and I'll talk to you later.